Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. In this video I'm presenting my second project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. The task was to design a Wikipedia-style encyclopedia that supports hyperlinks, creating and editing entries, display of random pages, as well as a basic search functionality. The index page that you see here contains a list with the links to all the entries in the encyclopedia. When I click on any of the links, I am directed to the corresponding entry. Inside the entry, I can click on hyperlinks that lead to other entries. Instead of clicking on a link, we can directly access some entry by typing the title of the entry into the search bar. When I try to access some non-existing entry, I am presented with an error message. We can search for specific entries by entering their title into the search field on the left-hand side of the page. When I search for an entry that doesn't exist, I am presented with a message that no matches were found. On the other hand, if the string I enter into the search field is a substring of the title of an existing page, I am presented with a list of links to all the entries whose title contains the string that was entered as a part. We can create new entries by clicking on the link in the sidebar, adding a title for the entry as well as some content. When I click Save, the page is added to the database and I'm redirected to the new entry. When I try to create an entry with the title of an already existing page, I am presented with an error message. I've also implemented some basic client-side validation. When I try to create an entry but leave the title field empty, I get an error. Similarly, when I try to enter a title that consists of nothing but whitespace, I get an error that the title must contain at least one character that is not a space. In order to edit the content of an already existing entry, I follow the link at the bottom of the entry page and make my edit in the text area field. When I hit Save, I am redirected to the entry which has been updated. As you can see here, the content of the entries is written in Markdown, which is converted to HTML with the help of the Markdown module when the page is displayed. Finally, the random page link in the sidebar does what the name suggests and leads to a randomly selected entry from the encyclopedia. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. See you for the next one. Bye.